Hi, welcome to the kitchen today with Adam's Reserve Cheddar. We're going to make some Herby cheddar oil that you can put on almost anything except for chocolate cake. So, super simple, super easy. Let's get started. A little bit of garlic. I got some basil, whatever you've got. Stems, leaves, everything goes in. Parsley. This was out of the garden this morning. That's a little bit of oregano, some fresh thyme. We're going to put in a little bit of salt, some black pepper. So you want to take about however much oil or however much herb you've got. So you want to take about however much herbs you've got and about half that amount of oil, just a really good olive oil. We're going to pour that in, get up to about half the volume. Perfect. Puree this, and then we'll add our cheddar and give it another little pulse. All right, see what we got? Herbs in there, kind of pureeing up. Add in our cheddar. So the Adam's Reserve cheddar here, that sharpness really helps to cut through the herbs and the oil and really rounds that out nice. Give it just a quick, probably 3-4 second pulse. And there we go. Herby Adam's Reserve cheddar oil. So, Caesar croutons, spread it on a little bit of toast for some vegetables. Actually toss some grilled vegetables in it. Anything that you can think of that needs a little bit of cheese and a little bit of herbs, this is the great stuff. It freezes well, but it'll also keep in the fridge for about a week. So, you guys enjoy, let us know how you use it, and we will see you next time in the kitchen with Adam's Reserve Cheddar.